Good morning, YouTube. It's been a while. I promise we have not stopped camping. We just been on a little hiatus. As you can see, got the camper behind us. We do have a camping trip coming up, I promise. So we will get some camping content out there very soon. We actually have a trip planned next month in October. There are several reasons why we haven't been camping. One, it's just been a really busy summer at the beginning of summer. And two, it's been too hot.
It is hot today.
You know it's hot out.
Yeah, I just said that. I said it's hot out here, man.
Yeah, you know it's hot too.
Yeah, that's why I said it, man. It is hot out here.
It's been way too hot to camp. But we will get back to that. In the meantime, I have a new hobby. While I was in the area, I stopped by the cemetery to visit my grandparents' gravesite. They've been gone for quite some time, and I don't get by as often as I should. It was nice to take some time and reflect on memories of years gone by. Figured I'd take myself a break. Stopped in here at Lake Mike Connor, got me a Diet Coke, give my butt a rest, and take in the scenery. And we'll get back on the road here in a little bit. Starting to warm up, so we may cut this ride short today. Plus, I got to work tonight. So, but it's a good little place to stop in. It's quiet, just a few people out here fishing on the lake. A little campground over there, not very big, and they may have 3 or 4 campers over there. It's a good little spot to stop in and take your rest.